Hi everyone and welcome to another episode from our kitchen sketchbook. Today we're going to show you how to make proper Satay Ayam. Found all over East Asia, there are regional variations in how it's cooked and the accompanying sauces and ingredients. In Cambodia, satay may be cooked over round barbecue and served with Nompang, which is a French style baguette harping back to colonial times. Whereas in Indonesia, satay is served with rice, of course Sambal Kacang, and some pickles. So let's cook Satay Ayam, and here are a couple of tips of how we prepare it at home. Firstly, things to do the night before. Remember to soak your bamboo skewers to stop them burning on the grill. We use chicken thighs, it has a lot more flavour and we cut these into tiny little pieces. Satay must be refined. Small delicate sticks of little pieces of meat are far better. For the marinade, use crushed garlic and coriander seeds, salt, pepper and most importantly, generous glug of ketchup mayonnaise, sweet treacle-like soya sauce. The next day when you're ready to build your skewers, just make sure you don't overload the satay. It's important that the ends of the skewer are covered with the meat so the wood doesn't burn. Again, small delicate satay skewers are so much more polite and refined. The long barbecue for Indonesian cooking is played like a xylophone. Dance of concentration, fanning the flames for even heat and turning a handful of sticks at the same time. Constantly checking so the desired level of char is achieved and they're cooked fully through. Here Indra's using a paintbrush to baste the skewers with a little leftover marinade just to keep the chicken nice and moist and add a little sticky caramelization. I'm using a paintbrush here to paint the scene in my kitchen sketchbook. Satay wouldn't be satay without Sambal Kacang, and you can see our recipe for this in our previous post. Sambal Kacang does keep for a long time in the fridge, but when you're ready to eat, simply mix it with a little hot water for a runny consistency, and then add some finely chopped fresh shallots and, for colour, a little bit more ketchup mayonnaise. It's also served with a simple pickle combining cucumber, carrot, onion and chilli with salt and sugar. Soak these in half water and half vinegar for a few hours beforehand so they're still crunchy, adding a sweet and acidic note to the dish and contrasting too with a crunchy texture. We love Javanese Satay Ayam. It's a perfect balance of taste, texture and nutrition, and I hope you enjoyed this sketchbook recipe too. Please take care everyone and have a great day. For more food stories, please follow our channel by liking, following and subscribing. Thank you.